Hi, it's Vicky Jamieson here. I'm wanting to go through some stress points that you might find helpful when you're doing your skincare routines at night, just to help with calming and working on your nervous system so that it's going into rest and restore a lot quicker, particularly if you're finding anxiety levels are going up with COVID situations prolonging. So there are a couple of points on your face that you can do, and when you put your skincare on in the evening, you can actually put just pressure point these. So along your jawline, there's actually a little groove. It's actually about this far apart. So from the center line to that area here, there's a little groove in your jawbone. You'll feel it, and you'll get one on either side. You can actually push those in quite hard and then release. So doing that 3 times just helps relieve that stress point. And this works on your adrenal glands through here. So the other area is your jaw. So if you open and close your jaw, you will find there's a bit of a hollow here. So if you go, you will actually feel the point. Sometimes if your nervous system's out of whack a lot, it will be quite tender. So you can just use this finger here to press on it. So just pressing in, holding it, and then releasing. Pressing in, holding it, and releasing it, and doing that 3 times. Pressing in, holding it, and releasing it. This also helps too if you get a lot of stress headaches coming from the back of your neck. So if you've got on the computer a lot more and sitting, and you've got a lot of shoulder tension coming up into the back of your neck, you may be getting a tight jaw through here. This also happens when your hormones change around a little bit. So that can be a really good pressure point. The other area is through here. So it's along the jaw area a bit further along. So that first one was here. The second one is about midway. Again, you'll feel a little groove in the bone. So it's like a little divot, and pressing those points 3 times. So you can do that, and then anywhere through here. If you're getting breakout through here, this is relates to adrenal glands. So just making sure you're breathing and taking some restful, deep abdominal breaths before bed and first thing in the morning, and then try it also before you eat at lunchtime, just to make sure you're getting digestive juices flowing and you're absorbing all your nutrients so that you've got lots of energy. So hopefully that's helpful, and just add that into your skincare routine at night and breathe while you do it. Ciao for now.